Hello, I'm Joe Walensky from WritersUA, visiting with some of the many presenters who will be at our WritersUA event, West event coming up in Palm Springs in March. And right now I'm speaking with John Collins. Hi, John.
Hello.
And John, where are you speaking to us from today?
I'm in a conference room named Sweden, but I'm actually in Harrisonburg, Virginia.
And I'm not familiar with Harrisonburg. Where is that oriented?
It's in the Shenandoah Valley, about 2.5 hours from Washington, D.C.
Oh, all right. Interesting. Well, if you're not familiar with John already, he's a senior technical writer at Rosetta Stone, and he's worked in localization in the internationalization and localization area for many years. He works with Xcode, which is something that I'm particularly interested in, related to Apple's iPhone, iPad ecosystem. Working there, he writes English interface text and adding localization to iPhone and iPad apps. His topic for the conference is a content strategist guide to the iOS ecosystem. So, John, tell us a little bit about your talk.
Sure. Well, when you look at an app and see the user interface text, you may not realize all the moving parts that come together to present that, especially in the Apple iOS ecosystem. So I want to give user assistance pros an understanding of all those different moving parts. And there's several reasons I want to do this. First, I think it's something that can make them an integral part of their company's mobile strategy. Also, I think it can give them a nice career boost, and it's an exciting, interesting part of the industry, the iOS, anything mobile really. It's very hot right now, so we all know. And then lastly, by understanding all those moving parts, I think the user assistance pros can better manage the UI text and the other content that's related to it. And I want to bring localization into it. You mentioned that I've worked with that. That magnifies the complexity of working with all that content. And so I want to point out some of those things so that people can work efficiently and understand all the different things that come together.
I know in our profession, most people haven't had an opportunity to get involved in working with apps, and so maybe just if you tell us a little bit about what your path was into getting involved with that.
Sure. I was kind of in the traditional technical writing role, writing user's guide content, help content. And I think it was 2009, the company decided to put out its first iOS app. And I kind of put my hand up and said, I want to work on that. And so I got set up with a Mac with Xcode and was going to the sprints with the engineering team and kind of learning as they learned. And what was real exciting to me was the ability to use Xcode, go into a resource file, a localization resource file, make some changes to the English text and run it in the simulator and see it there on the screen in a representation of what it looks like on the device. And then the ability to edit after seeing that in simulator.
All right, well, thanks for being part of this, John. I appreciate that, and we'll see you in a couple of months in Palm Springs.
Sounds good.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.